let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me tell you how all of this works and what you will be doing. So again, this is super newbie friendly. This is a free method. And in a nutshell, you will be getting traffic from the Kindle marketplace. Okay, so you are creating these silly little PDFs, and these guys will actually even show you how to get them done in a matter of seconds. And because it is super niche specific, you can target any niche, no matter how big, no matter how small, and you're getting all these free leads. Turn these leads into money. So the big thing is here, you're going to be getting tons and tons and tons of leads. So even if you're not making money when people open the PDF and go through it, you can email these people over and over and over again. You can have an autoresponder set up for like the next 30 days, and Tom and Vic will show you exactly how to do it. So a super newbie friendly method. If you're a beginner, this is probably one of the best ways to start because the traffic is free, it's super targeted. So if you are in a niche that is not making money online on internet marketing, you can still go after it. Probably you're an expert in some niche, and you will find that niche on Amazon or Kindle. And this is a great way to build a list for free, have it targeted, and then upsell all of these leads and then make an easy $50 or more per day on total autopilot. So the cool thing is that once you're going to set it up once, and it takes 23 minutes, this is all automated. Okay, so you can do this in your spare time. You can just keep on adding these PDFs to get more and more traffic in many different niches if you want to. So as you can see, we have the welcome to Money for Everyone video. Here's Tom. We have the method overview. We have the full system. So these are 13 videos. So super detailed, over the shoulder. Again, if you never made a dime online, just follow this training, and it is over the shoulder and super easy to follow. And then we have the upgrades. We'll talk about the upgrades in a second. We have bonuses, additional bonuses, and support. So you can go through this whole system in under an hour, implement it in 23 minutes, and start seeing results the same day or the next day. So I really like it because, again, they already have the testimonials from the 1.0 version. This works not only for Tom and Vic, but for many of their students, and you can just copy their exact system and it's easy to use. So guys, that's what's on the inside. Let's check out the pricing.